Hey, my name is Karen. I live in the Upper Beaches area of Toronto, and this is my kitchen. I've known about Magic for quite a few years now, and so when it was time to renovate our house, we did a total layout change. And I definitely did not want to go back to crank windows that were going to break, and I definitely did not want to have screens that I had to replace twice a year. So we went with Magic because they had both of those features, and we definitely needed the window wall as well for the back door because I had big visions of having that open all summer. We wanted nice clean lines. We didn't want a lot of detail, but we still went with the sort of industrial theme based on where we live and its proximity to the city. I think the best feature is just the ease of opening and closing, is that it's just use the latch and then push it open, and that's it. And then the bug screen comes right there. It's great because so much light comes in when we don't have the bug screens on. So it keeps the house nice and bright, which is really important for a city home with not a lot of side windows. We did call once after the doors were closed all winter and we rarely went out. It was a little bit stiff, but someone came out right away and taught us how to fix it, and it wasn't an issue with the windows at all. It was just that we needed a little bit of silicone, but we've had no issues at all. I would recommend Magic windows. They've been really, really great. We had excellent service when they went in, and they've been just a wonderful addition and a key part of our renovation.